AI agents aren't science fiction anymore. They're already replacing months of manual work inside real companies. Most people still use AI like a search engine, but the real power begins when you let AI run tasks on its own. Here's how AI agents actually work. First, they generate options. Agents don't wait for you. They produce ideas, drafts, and outputs on their own. Second, they evaluate and improve those outputs. That means no more rewriting the same thing 10 times. Third, they execute tasks automatically. They can research, summarize, write, organize, plan, and even publish content without you touching anything. This isn't about replacing jobs. It's about upgrading your workflow so you can do 1 hour of work and get 8 hours of output. AI won't replace people who use AI agents, but it will absolutely replace people who don't. Follow at Cashless Codex to learn how to build your first agent-powered workflow.